Welcome to day 7 of the 1K per day challenge. Today we're going to be choosing an affiliate network. So when you choose your affiliate network, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. You want it to fit your niche. So every affiliate network has kind of their own specialty. Some of them kind of just have all different kinds of offers, but there are a few of them, really a lot of them, that specialize in a certain type of offer, whether it's, they're really good in a certain vertical like finance, or there's a couple networks that are really good with like e-commerce products, physical products. Some networks only do adult type offers. Some networks only do like lead gen, like CPA type offers, where you're getting paid when somebody enters their email address, downloads an app, those type of things. But you want to really make sure that you pick the right network for your niche specifically. And really, like personally, I would want to try and pick the network that's going to have all of the affiliate offers that you need, at least initially. That way, you only need to worry about getting access to one network. You've got one affiliate manager that you can keep in contact with. It keeps things very simple. So, and this is usually the case with most networks, where you get assigned an affiliate manager when your account gets created. Obviously, networks like ClickBank are a bit different. You don't necessarily get any kind of a contact that will help you. Pretty much every other network, other than maybe a couple, you'll get an affiliate manager who will be assigned to your account, and their job is really to help you be successful. So, So the next thing that you really want to do is just get signed up. So part of this process is you've got to basically what they call apply to be accepted at some of these networks. A few of them just kind of automatically let you in. It's just kind of so not every network's the same. So I'm going to show you one here that I recently heard about. I've never done anything with them, and I'm interested in becoming an affiliate because they specialize in e-commerce type offers. So you can see run high converting global e-commerce. Looks like a pretty good network. They were referred to me by somebody else that I know in the industry. So really my next step here is going to be to get signed up. So what I'm going to do is become an affiliate. Click that, and it kind of just gives you some more info on what you can expect as an affiliate. Some of their different features or benefits of being a part of their network. Then they've got some pretty decent case studies actually of affiliates running these offers, and these offers are like exclusive offers to this network. So anytime you can run an exclusive offer, it's going to benefit you. People are a lot of these offers are actually inside of a lot of different networks, the exact same offers, and affiliates are just running them all over the place, and the market gets saturated pretty quickly that way. Unless you can come in with a new and different approach, which I will, we'll cover all of that when we talk about creating a blog post and whatnot. But the biggest thing is being able to choose the right product initially, because you are only going to be advertising one product. So I told you to pick 5 at minimum, preferably 10 if you can, because over the course of the 30-day challenge here, by the end of it, we are going to want to have 10 products, or a minimum of 5 products on our website with complete blog posts that are promoting them. And the more exclusive offers you can get, that's better, because not every affiliate is going to have access to that offer. They're kind of the same as what I'm telling you. They get into a network, they get kind of settled in, and they don't feel like changing, so they only promote the offers that are in there. So now's your chance to kind of pick the one that you think's right for you, so that you can get in there now and hopefully remain a long-term affiliate. So all I need to do for this specific network, it looks like, is just fill out this contact form. A lot of times what will happen is it'll be a way more detailed application. So let me see if another good network is A4D. This is another confusing thing while I'm thinking about it. All the networks call affiliates different things. You're not always going to see the people being called an affiliate. It's really weird how the language kind of changes. Sometimes you're called a publisher, sometimes you are called a partner, sometimes you're called an affiliate. Typically, you're not going to be an advertiser, as weird as that sounds. Because you are advertising. The advertisers are typically the product owners. So if I click on this, we'll see. Converts leads into customers. So, it's all about really owning the product and that type of thing, and getting leads. We're really looking to be what they consider a partner. So you see now they're using affiliate language. But what I wanted to see is if it shows all the different steps here. And I'm going to, hopefully it doesn't I was going to say if I start entering step 1 in my email address, they're going to think I'm a new affiliate, which I don't really want. So what I'm actually going to do, though, is just make up a name and an email. That way I can just show you the process. Sorry, A4D, if you are watching this somehow. I'm just really showing people how to get signed up here. So I want you to understand, guys, what a lot of the networks are going to ask in these other steps. So step 2 is going to be payment info. Just making up stuff here. Yeah, so now this is really what I wanted to show you. And this is where a lot of people get freaked out, where they think that they need to have all of this experience. Guys, everybody starts somewhere, and some networks are okay with that. They'll gladly accept new affiliates just as long as you can show them that you are willing to play by the rules. So you got to understand kind of the same as like the ad networks and why they're so strict with their policies. The same goes here. You've got to understand the risks that the networks take by letting affiliates run their offers. You're basically going out and being a promoter of their brand, of all of these different companies that are inside of their network. And they want to make sure that you're not going to do anything that's going to get them in trouble. So it could be anything: running traffic, saying fake stuff, things that aren't real, misleading people. So that's part of this application process. Is, first of all, being honest and transparent. Don't say how much you currently spend $10,000 a month unless you do. Just be honest with them, and they'll either accept you or they won't. So the 2 networks I recommend if you are a beginner are these 2 networks. And just based on their current amount of affiliates and workload, they may or may not accept you. And don't think that if they don't accept you, it's because you're new or anything like that. Sometimes they just don't have any more room. They don't have enough employees to manage any more affiliates. They're currently basically got enough. So just because you aren't accepted, it doesn't mean anything. When I first applied to Max Bounty, I think I was not accepted the first time, so I reapplied maybe a year later, wasn't accepted again, and applied the third time, and nothing happened. So I waited a couple months, and then I sent an email to a guy that I actually found on their website. I just went to Max Bounty's website and you can see all the different affiliate managers, and I just picked somebody and sent them an email and said, hey, can you check my account and see, or my application, and see if, what the reasoning was for my being, not approved? And he's like, looks like it was just an error. We usually accept most people, regardless of their experience. So I'm not sure how, so basically what I'm saying is I would have been accepted the very first time, but there was just an error in their system. So be persistent, and don't give up. Don't, if you get a no the first time, it's a no, a lot of people in a lot of different businesses say you got to ask 100, you got to hear 100 no's before you get a yes. It's not, obviously not like that with this, because they want people to promote their stuff. So you just really got to show them that you are somebody that's worthy of promoting their stuff. And a lot of times it just doesn't take much more than just being honest and transparent. So how much do you currently spend per month on affiliate advertising? That's great that they give a 0 inside of almost a 10K option, because it allows a lot of beginners to just leave it at that. Same with the revenue. How much do you currently generate per month? That could be 0, could almost be 10K. What other affiliate networks do you currently work with? I would probably pick the ones that you currently work with. Doesn't mean that you're currently making money with them. It means that you have an account, basically. So, you could say ClickBank or whatever other affiliate networks you have, and again, just be honest. If this is your first one, say this is my first one. What are your top traffic sources? Pretty straightforward. Just be honest. How'd you hear about us? You can say me if you want. I don't get any kind of a kickback or anything like that. Tell us why you think you will qualify. And again, you pretty much just repeat what I said. Say that if you are just getting started, say I'm just getting started. I'm really looking for a good quality network that I can work with, that has good long-standing offers. Things are going to be around for a while that I can promote, and I want to be doing this for years to come. And just something simple like that. And again, it's got to be honest. If you've been doing it for 10 years, tell them you've been doing it for 10 years. If you've been doing it for 10 years and haven't made a dime, tell them that. Because your experience is still your experience. It doesn't matter whether you consider it to be good or bad. I don't have any kind of referral code. Pick your account executive. Iris is my current affiliate manager. Iris is great. She's really, really good. On top of it, you're automatically assigned one. If you don't pick one, they'll eventually assign one to you. If you pick Iris, again, I don't get anything for that. But all of these people are great. They're all really good people at A4D. Same goes with Max Bounty. So I just wanted to show you kind of what the typical quote unquote application looks like at affiliate networks. Again, sometimes it's just this. What this network is doing is they're just getting your basic info, and then what they're going to want to do is probably jump on a Skype call. And that's normal for any of these networks. So Max Bounty is the same. A4D, like I just showed you, was the same. Even when Iris was assigned to my account, I've had an account there for years, and my other affiliate manager left the network, so I was assigned to Iris at that point. She got on a call with me just to kind of introduce herself and see how she could help me. That's really, the main benefit of having an affiliate manager, as opposed to something like ClickBank, you know, you're kind of left at your own, you know, to do whatever you want at that point. You're kind of guessing at what works and what doesn't. So